So map. When you say map, map is a key value pair. What is a map? Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair. When you already have a concept of list set, why you want to go for a map? When you already have a concept of list set, why you want to go for a map? List set will store a group of record. In the group of record, if I want to identify a particular record, how do you identify? Now in the mobile phone, I have a mobile phone, I store the phone numbers. If you store the phone numbers without name, how do you trace you just store the mobile numbers. In the mobile, I store the phone numbers without name. Then if I want to find out the phone number of a Satish, what should I do? Make a call to first number, are you Satish? No, disconnect. Make a call to second person, make a call and ask, are you Satish? No, disconnect. Because it's a group of phone number. If I want to know what is the phone number of Satish, it is very hard for me to find out. Because it's used for storing the data, okay. But when you are retrieving the data, your operation is retrieving. Your operation is what? Retrieving. Your operation is retrieving. I told one of the use case of the set is when your frequent operation is delete. Similarly, if you are storing the data, you are only storing the data, retrieving the data, displaying the data, list and set are storeable. But if your frequent operation is retrieve, if your frequent operation is retrieve, then what is the concept I have to go with? I have to go with the map. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique. Where the key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. So in the mobile phone, when I am storing the phone numbers, name, phone number, name, phone number. If I want to search for the Satish phone number, I'll simply give Satish, I get the list of phone numbers for Satish. So it is easy for me to retrieve the data. If I am not storing the name, only phone numbers if I am storing, it is very hard for me to retrieve the data. Are you getting my point here? So if you are storing the data, in the form of key value pair, it is easy for me to retrieve the data. So what is a map? Map is a key value pair. Map is a key value pair. What is a map? Map is a key value pair. I repeat. Map. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique and value can be duplicate. Map is a key value pair where key should be unique, value can be duplicate. Value can be duplicate. Now, is a map is a primitive variable or reference variable? Is it a primitive variable or reference variable? I took map string comma string. What was this? It is a reference variable. If you don't allocate the memory, what is the value? Null. Where what is the key? Key is the string. Value is also string. Now look at the point. Create a map with student name as a key and age as a value. Create a map with a student name as a key, age as a value. Student name will be what? String format. So what is that? Map of age will be what? Map of string comma integer. Map of string comma integer. Then I am creating. Create a map with account name as key and industry as value. Create a map with account name as a key and industry as a value. So what is the name? Account name is what? Map of string. Industry is what? Value. When you say industry, string. Now we got ACC map equal to new map of string. Right, boss? Now next one. Create a map with record ID as a key and account record as a value. record ID as a key and account record as a value. So what I'm going to give? Map of ID. People have followed this. People have followed this. So it is in the form of what? Key value pair. Key value should be unique. Value can be duplicated. So what is the key? Record ID is the key. Record is the value. I hope you are clear. Right. Let me make one more thing. Create a map. Map with product name as a key. Product wrapper as a value. We are going to give as what? Map of string product. This is how we have taken. Next one we are taking. Create a map. Create a map with city name as a key. Name as a key. And list of places as a value. Create a map with the city name as a key and list of places as a value. Create a map with the city name as a key and a list of places as a value. Then how do you create? Map of city name as a key, string, list of places. Places will be what? Hyderabad, Bangalore, so it's going to be string. So list of people are following my points. Clear about this? Clear about this? Now next. Create a map. Create a map with account ID as a key and list of corresponding opportunities. List of corresponding opportunities as well. So account ID. Account ID is going to be what? ID. Value is what? List of opportunities. Every account is going to have list of opportunities. ID. People are clear with this? People are clear with this? You got the format of creating the map? Key value. Identify what is the key you want to take. What is the corresponding value you want to take. Identify the key what you want to take. What is the corresponding value what you want to take. Then I told, key is what? Unique. If the key is duplicate, when I give Satish, if there are two records with the name of Satish, it is difficult for me to identify what is Satish. Are you getting my point? Because you have to search. You are making a search based on key. Key value. Key value. If key is a duplicate, then there will be two values. Now I am confused. Alright? If there are two records, Satish 1, 2, 3, Satish 1, 2, 3. When I say Satish 1, 2, 3, Satish 4, 5, 6. Whenever I give Satish, it is going to give me two values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which value I have to use? So that's the reason map should not have any key with a duplicate value. So key should not be duplicate. Value can be duplicate. Value can be duplicate. I hope I am clear. Right. Now what are the methods we have? First, how do you insert the data? If you want to insert the data, we are going to use put. In the list, if you want to insert the value, we got to what? Add. In the set, if you want to insert the value, we have add. In the map, if you want to insert the value, put a key comma value. We are going to insert the value in the form of key comma value. Let me show an example. Map of integer map equal to new map of integer. It is a map where roll number is the key. roll number is the key, and name is the value. I created a map with the roll number as the key and the name as a value. How do you insert the values now? How do you insert? Student map dot put 1 comma student map dot put 2 comma student map dot put 3 comma. What was this? Put key comma value. Put key comma value. Student map dot put key comma value. Student map dot put key comma value. Insert the key corresponding value. Now, suppose if I give a duplicate key, what happens? Std map dot put 3 comma. If I give a duplicate key, it will not throw error. Old value will be replaced with a new value. Old value will be replaced with a new value. What is the old value? 3 Hari. Now the old value is replaced with a 3 Faraz. If you give duplicate key, it will not throw error. Old value is replaced with a new value. If you give key, old value will be replaced with a new value. I hope I am clear. Right. Now I am trying to print the data. Look at this system.debug. We are trying to print X. So what is the data we received? 1 star, 2 Kiran, 3 Faraz. People have followed this. So how do you insert the data? Key comma value. Map dot put key comma value. Right. So if any further queries, meet me after class. I'll inform you. Right. Come back. Now let us go back to this one. What is the process we have? Next one. We are going with the next one. I am trying to create a map. Create a map with account name as a key and account as a value. Create a map with account name as a key and account as a value. Now what was this? Look at the format. I have list of accounts. List of accounts. How do you create account record? Account A1. Then we are getting KCCS dot add account A2. So I am creating. Now what did I have? List of accounts. Now based on the accounts what we have, I want to create a map. I have a list of accounts. Now what I want? I want to create a map where account name is the key, account is the value. Where account name is the key, account is the value. Now how do you refer to one by one element? If you want to refer to one by one element, what should I do? Write a map. So what I am doing here? First, map of account name. Account name is going to be in which format? Account is the value. Account map equal to map of. We created a map with the account name as a key and account as a value. Now how do you insert? Take one by one element from the list, create a map. How do you want to insert? Take one by one element from the list and insert the value. So how you are going to take? For account A, for account A, AGCS. How you are going to take? AGC map dot put A dot name. What is the A? Account record. I told account name is the key, account is the value. So I have list of accounts. From the list of accounts, what did I do? I took the account name as a key and account as a value. Account name as a key, account as a value. So what I am doing here? System.debug. Go back to this. Execute this. Look at the structure. What do we have now? Account name is what? TCS. The complete record. Name TCS 4456. Record is the value. Wipro is the account name and the complete record is the value. So account name is the key, account is the value. Name of the account is the key and account is the value. People are clear with this? People are clear with this? Map of key comma value. Map of key comma value. Are you clear about this? People are clear? People are clear? Let us take next example. So this is used for what? Inserting a new record. What is the purpose of put? This method is used. The method is used to insert new element into the map. Right. Now, how to get the value? If it is a list, how do you get it? List of index. If it is a set, directly we take the element. If it is a map, how to get the value? How to get the value? If it is a map, we are going to use get of. If I give a key, it is going to return the value. If I give a key, it is going to return the value. Look at the example. Look at the example. Everyone here. Create a map with student name as a key and age as a value. Name of the student is a key and age as a value. So how the map is going to be created? Map of student name is what? String. Age is what? Reason. Student map equal to new map of string. Now, how we are going to put the values? Std map dot put Sham This is how we have inserted a value. Now it is a map of key value pair. Let me print the value. System.debug. We have now let us go to the next step. You want to retrieve. If I give the key, I am going to get the value. Value is in which format? Is it a string format or integer format? Value is going to be integer. So if I give the key, I am going to get what value? Integer value. So I am giving a integer a equal to student map dot get of. If I give the key, what is RAM? RAM is the key. If I give a key called RAM, we are going to get the corresponding value. What is the value of A? A is going to be system.debug. System.debug is here. Are you getting my point here? So look at the format. Get. When you say get, it is going to return the value. When you say get, it is going to return the value. We are going to return the value. What is the value here? So we got here map. Kiran 50, Ram 30, Sham 10. When I give Ram, it is giving you what? 30. If I give the key, the corresponding value is given. If I give the key, corresponding value is given. I hope you are clear. People have followed this? Okay. Now, let me give next example on this. I am going to expand the same example. Here, we created what? What did we create? Create a map with account name as a key. Create a map with account name as a key and account as a value. Create a map with account name as a key and account as a value. Then what happened? List of account ACCS equal to new list of account. List of account ACCS equal to new list of account. list of account, ACC is equal to new list of account. We got this format. Once you got this format, what we are getting here? We got list of account record. I am taking a map. How did you create a map? Map of account name as a key, account as a value. The same old structure. Account name as a key, account as a value. So what are the values we have? Account name as a key, account as a value. Now, if I give the account name, what is the value we are going to get? What is the key? String. What is the value? Account. If I give the account name, what value we are going to get? Account. We are going to get a account. If I give a key, what value we are going to get? Account we are going to get. So how I am going to get boss? Account A equal to ACC map dot get off. Account A equal to ACC map dot get off TCS. So what I am giving? System dot debug. We got it. Account name, account phone number. Let me run this. You told ACC map dot get off TCS. When I give a key called TCS, corresponding account we are going to get. Complete account. What is the value? Account is the value. If we give the key, corresponding value we are going to get. What is the value here? The value is account. Now go back to this. Run this. See the value. What are you getting? If you give TCS, complete account. Name is TCS, phone number is 456. Are you clear about this? If we give the key, corresponding value is given. If I give the key, corresponding value is given. What is the method name? Get. Get is for what? Getting the value from the map. If you want to insert the value, put. If you want to retrieve the value, get. If you want to insert the value, put. If you want to retrieve the value, get. If you want to put the value, put. If you want to get the value, get. If you want to insert the value, put. If you want to retrieve the value, get. Are you clear? Okay. Now look at the next one. Third one. We have get of key. What this will do? This method will return value from then the corresponding value. This method will return. This method is going to return corresponding value from the map. Now let us go to the next method. Key set. There is a key set. This will return only the keys. This will return set of keys. What it is going to return you? Set of keys. What it is going to return you? Set of keys. What it is going to return you? Set of keys. When you say key set, it is going to return you set of keys. Look at the format. Look at the format, everyone. Create a map with city name as key and capital or state as a value. Create a map with the city name as a key, capital as a value. City name as a key means what? We are going to get what? String. We are going to get map of string. We are going to get state name. The state name is going to be what? Again, string. City name as a key, state name as a value. City map equal to new map of string. Now tell me how you are going to insert. City map dot put Hyderabad. We are going to have city map dot put Bangalore. City map dot put this is how I have created. It is a map of city name as a key and state name as a value. Now, when we say get, we get the corresponding value. Whenever we say key set, it is going to return you what? Set of keys. Now, what is the key here? What is the key? String. Okay, set is what? Set of strings. What is the key? Key is a city name. So it is going to be what? Set of string. City is equal to city map dot city map dot EZ. Set of string city is equal to city map dot EZ. We're going to give system dot debug. We are trying to print what is city set. Let us see what we are going to get. When you say get me set of keys, what are the keys here? Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. Are you getting my point? Only the key values are given. What values are written here? Only key values. Key set. It is going to return you only the set of keys. Key set. It is going to return you only the set of keys. Only the set of keys will be given. Put to insert. Get to retrieve. Key set. Only the set of keys. Keys are unique. There is a reason it is a set. Keys are unique. There is a reason it is a set. Keys are unique. There is a reason it is a set. Let us take the next one. Same one I am giving. Get me all the values. Only values I want. Value is also what? My values is what? State name. Which is nothing but string. State is equal to city map dot we are giving system dot debug states. Execute highlighted. Go back. Debug. What are the values we have? Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad is the keys. TG, K, TN is the values. When you say map dot values, it is going to give you list of values. When you say key set, it is going to give you set of keys. It is going to give you what? Set of keys. It is going to give you what? Set of keys. Values are for what? Storing the list of values. When you want to retrieve the list of values, we use a method called values. So now, what are the methods we have seen? Once again, put, get, key set. Right. Next, we have one more method. Contains key. It is going to check whether the given key is in the map or not. Whether the map contains the following key. If the map contains the following key, it is going to return you true. If the map contains the following key, it is going to return you true. So when I say contains key, it will return true. If the map contains it will return true if the map contains the given key. It will return true if the map contains the given key. So go back here. We are going to say boolean equal to city map dot contains key. Map dot contains key Hyderabad. If Hyderabad is available as a key, it is going to give you system dot debug. Now I take it Pune. Pune is not there in the map. This is how I create. Go back. Look at the map and see. Hyderabad is available, true. Pune is not available, false. So what are the methods you tell me now? Put, get, key set, values, contains key. Put, get, key set, values, content key. People are clear? We'll see one by one usage in terms of Visual Force. How to create a map, how to display the map, how to use the keys, how to use the values. We'll take a couple of scenarios. Basic scenarios I'm going to take. Basic scenarios. Now, look at the format. Very basic level. Now, what I want to do is, I want to create a map. Create a map with map with employee name as a key and salary as a value. Create a map with employee name as a key and salary as a value. Now, how you are going to create a map now? Public map of string right. Now, if you want to insert the value, first we need to allocate the memory. It is a reference variable. What is the value of EMP map? Null. So if you want to insert the value, EMP map equal to new map of string decimal. Then how you are going to insert? EMP map dot put sum EMP map dot put sum EMP map dot put run. This is how we create it. It is a map of values. People are clear? Now, how to display this data? I want to display complete map in the VF page. How to display map in the VF page? When you have a group of elements, what we do? Page block table, data list, repeat. Any one of the set we are going to use. Map example, controller equal to then I'm taking apex form, apex page block, for details, apex page block table, value. What is the value we have? EMP map. It is not a list. We are giving what? Value equal to map. When you give value equal to map, value equal to A again. When you say value equal to A, what is that A? Is it a record in the map? Is it a value in the map? Is it a key in the map? When you say value equal to map, A is a key. A is referring to what? A is a key in the map. What is that A? A is a key in the map. It is not a record in the map. It is a key in the map. A is referring to what? Key. That means A is referring to what? Sham. A is referring to what? Ram. A is referring to what? Kiran. Now I am giving apex column value equal to. Now, if you want to print your own header value equal to. Now look at the format. Column value equal to. You want to print the value. How do you print the value? What is the name of the map? EMP map. EMP map. What is the key? A. So if you want to print the value, how you are printing? EMP map is a map name. Map name of key. Map of key. Map name of key. EMP name of A. EMP name of A. EMP name of A. Map of A. What is A? Key. What is that A? It is a key. What is that A? Key. Map of key. We are going to get what? Go back. Display the data. Preview. Go again. Kiran, salary 50,000. People are clear with this format. When you got a map, when you say value equal to map, value equal to A is referring to key. Then what was this? Map of key is going to give you value. When you say map of key will give you. People have followed this example. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? People have followed this? Right, Amma? Any further queries from anyone? Okay. Now, basic example we have taken. Let us make it like a list of account. Let me make a map of account name as a key, account as a value, then display. Now I'll make a little complex, where we are going to take map with account name as a key and account as a value. Let us take next example. Map example. Public map of string, where account name equal to key and account is a value. Now, I am taking here public list of account, public set of right. I am looking at the map. How do you create the map? Public map example 1 is map equal to new map of string account map equal to new map of string account. Then what I am doing? Account A1 equal to A1 dot name then AGC map dot put account name as a key. So what we are going to take? A1 dot name account A2 equal to new account. A2 dot name A2 dot phone. I am giving AGC map dot put A2 dot name. This is how we create it. Right. We have created a map of account name as a key, account as a value. Now what I want to do? Display this data in the VF page. How do you display? Go back to the Salesforce Map example. How I am giving a controller equal to map example. X page block. X page block label value equal to what is the ACC map? What is the name of the map? ACC map. Var equal to what is the A? A is nothing but key. Now I am giving it column value equal to, how do you print the account? Account is a value, right? How do you get the value? ACC map of, when you say ACC map of A, it is going to give you what? Account. Do you want to print an account or account name? Account name. So dot their value. You will get my point here. So when you say ACC map of A, we are getting an account record. In that account record, we want to print a name field. In the account record, we want to print column value equal to ACC map of A. Now we have a bug here. Let me see what is the bug. Map example 2. So we are giving it ACC map of A. It is giving you what? Account record. In that account record, we are referring to what? Go back. See account name and right. Now I want to get only account names. I want to get only account names. If you want to get only account names, what will you do? From the map, we got a map. What I want to do? From the map, I want to take only account names. If you want to take only account names, I want to create a map, public list of. I want to take only phone numbers. So in the map, all the account names, whatever the account names are there, I want to get them. In the map, what are the phone numbers are there, I want to get them. So what I'm trying to do, take a map, from the map get the account name separately, get the phone number separately. We have a logic here. Let us say, I have a logic called public void get data. Now where is the data available? Data is available in the map. Data is available in the map. Now, if you want to retrieve the data from the map, what should I do? If we give key, we get a value. If you want to retrieve the data from a map, give the key, get the value. So what I'm going to take? For string S, what I want to do? I want to take a set of keys. How do you take a set of keys? Set of string is equal to ACC map dot ACC map dot key set. Set of string keys equal to ACC map dot key set. Set of keys are retrieved. Whenever we say key set, what we are going to get? Set of. Whenever we say key set, what we are going to get? Set of keys. Whenever we say key set, what we are going to get? Set of keys. When you got a set of keys for string S, for string S keys, for string S key. What is this S? S is nothing but a key. What are the keys we have? TCS. Now what is that S? TCS. When you have a set of keys, what are the keys we are going to get? Wipro, TCS. What is the value of S? Wipro. Now how do you get the value? How do you get the value? Account A equal to ACC map dot get of S. What is the value of S? Wipro. Then what is the value we are going to get? Wipro account we are going to get. Once you got the Wipro account, what I want to do? Names dot add A dot B. Similarly, phones dot add. The next one. What is the value of S? S equal to TCS. Now get the account of TCS. So what is the account recorder? A dot name, A dot phone number. Account name is TCS. Phone number is 1234. People are getting my point? Now the major problem is, did I assign the value for these names and phones? I have not allocated memory. What is the value of these names? Null. What is the name? Okay, value of these phones? Null. So what should I do? Names equal to new list of phones equal to new list of. People have got this value. Now what I have taken? I have taken one by one element from the map. I have taken one by one element from the map. Right? One by one element from the map. Then I have taken a phone number kept in a list. Okay, I have taken a name set kept in a list. People have followed. People have followed this. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Everyone has followed? Clear? Any further queries? Any further queries? Now if you want to display the page block table. List of names, list of phone numbers. List of names, list of phone numbers. People have followed this example. Clear for everyone? Any other queries? Clear for everyone? Right. Next. Let us take one more example. I'll expand one more example. This time we will take other format. What is the next format we are going to take? This time we want to take in this format. What is the format? I want to take city name as a key, and corresponding places as a value. I want to create a map with the city name as a key, corresponding places as a value. Every city may have how many values? City may have only one place or more than one place. Depends. So that's the reason I have to take as what? List of places. Every city will have list of places. Every city is going to have list of places. So how we are going to create a map? Map of city name. List of equal to map of string list of. People are clear with this concept? Right. Now, key should be a string. Value is what? List of string. So what I am doing? List of string h places equal to new list of string. They are giving LB Nagar. List of Hyderabad places. I got Bangalore places. New list of string. We have, let us say, Whitefield. Okay. So we have some value. Now, how we are going to put the value in map? City map dot put Hyderabad is the name of the city. What is the value? List of places. So H. They are expecting the value as what? List of places. City map dot put Bangalore. This is how we got. People are got it. Now get me all the city names. Fetch all the city names. Fetch all the city names from the map. How will you get the city names? In the map, from the map I want to get all the city names. Where is the city name? City name is stored as a key. City name is stored as what? Key. If you want to get all the city names, what should I do? Set of string is equal to city map dot EZ. Now I told fetch the places of Hyderabad. Fetch the places of Hyderabad. When I say fetch the places of Hyderabad, what type of values we are going to get? What type of values we are going to get? Is it a single value or multiple values? It is what? Multiple values. There is a list of places. List of places. So what type of value we are expecting? List of string places equal to city map dot get of Hyderabad. So what I am doing? Map dot get of key. It is going to give you what? Corresponding value. Map dot get of key. It is going to give you what? Corresponding value. Map dot get of key. It is going to give you what? Corresponding value. I hope I am clear. People are following this. Now I want to create a example. Look at this example. Now I want to create field dependency. I want to create a field dependency. In the VF page, I want to create a field dependency. Now, what happened? If I select Hyderabad places should be displayed. If I select Bangalore places should be displayed. So what I want to do? Create field dependency. If Hyderabad is selected, Hyderabad places. Bangalore is selected, Bangalore places. This is what I want to achieve. So how to achieve this? We have done the basic format of example. The same format I am going to use. People have followed this example. You are clear with this? Sure? So let us implement one example. The same example I am going to give. Map example. When I give map example, public map of string list of city map. Then how many pick lists you want to create? One pick list for city, other pick list for so list of select option, city options. Other pick list for public list of when you select the city, the value should be stored somewhere. In the pick list, when you select the city, value should be stored somewhere. So what I am giving? Public string selected. City selected otherwise. City selected. Whatever the city I have selected. Now first I need to create public map example. First allocate the memory for all the things. City map equal to new map of string, list of string. Then create. Right now I am again repeating. Right now we are not interacting with the database. When you interact with the database, everything will become dynamic. As of now, we are not interacting with the database. Every value I am manually giving it. Later on, when you go for advanced programs, the data will come from database. Right? As of now, we are not interacting with the database. Every option I am giving manually. So I am inserting the values. Citymap.put. We have created the map. Now, what I want to do, I want to create a pick list. How do you create a pick list? City options equal to new list of right. Now, you want to create a none option. Both the pick list should have none. When you want to create a none, what we do? Select option none equal to. Initially, both of them should display. We are adding the option. How do you add the option? City options dot add. Place options dot add. This is how we create it. Now in the city, what are the other options I have to add? All the cities that are there in the map, I need to add. How do you get all the cities? For string S, city map dot. Where is the city map dot key set? We are going to get set of keys. I have to take every city and create a pick list. How I am creating? Select option, OP equal to new select option. Like this, till now, any query for anyone? People have followed. I created a map. I created two pick list. Added none option to both of them. From the map, I have taken one by one key and added. So what was this? Fetch all the keys. map, create option. Now, this is what we have done. Now, let me display till now whatever we created. Let me display on the UI. Visual Force map example. How do you create a pick list? First, I'm making straight away. Instead of using page block, table, page block section, I'm writing straight away. Apex, select list, size equal to 1, value equal to select option, value equal to all the options which are there in city options, they are displayed. Similarly, I will create we have created two big lists, one with city option, other one with place option. Go back and see city, Hyderabad, Chennai, places, only none. Now you can change this Hyderabad and click on a button, automatically places has to come. We have another functionality called action support. We'll see that. Still we have not covered the method called action support. Okay. Right now we are creating as a button. Apex command button. When you go further, we go for a command called action support. Command button value. Now what happened? If you select the city name, based on the city name, I have to get the places. With those places, I have to get a pick list. So how do you get the places? Public void. First I am writing. If city selected not equal to none. In the city what you selected, if it is not equal to none, if it is equal to none, what should I give? If it is equal to none, I have to give none option. If it is equal to none, I have to give what? None option. If you selected a none, city equal to none if you selected, places will be what? None only. Options dot add. If you selected other than none, then what should you give? List of string places equal to city map dot get off. Whichever the city you have selected, get me the corresponding places. In the map, if I give city name, we get the list of places. Now what I am going to do? For yes. New select option. Then add the values. What are the values we are going to add? Yes. Whenever the city name is changed, automatically find out did you select none or other than none. If you select none, you need to add none option. If you select other than none, what are the new places are there? Those I should add. Before I find out, before I add a new values, old values should be removed. Because you selected Bangalore, Bangalore places are already there. When you select the Bangalore to Hyderabad, what should I do? Remove the Bangalore places first, then add the Hyderabad. Am I right or no? When you already selected Bangalore, Bangalore places are displayed. When I change to Chennai, what should happen? Remove the Bangalore places, then add the Chennai. For that, what I'm doing? What I'm doing? Places dot. If you want to remove the options, simply use clear. So what is that? Whenever you say get data, clear all the places. What all the old places are there? Remove all of them. Now you select which city you selected. Hyderabad. Get the places of Hyderabad. Add the option. You selected none. Add the none to the places. People have followed. People have followed. Go to this. Hyderabad. What do you got? Vinegar. We choose none. What are the old values? Vinegar. I got none. When I choose none, old value should be removed, new value should be added. People are clear? We can organize it in better way. Page block section item. If you put it, the UI will come in a proper structure. The UI will come in a proper structure. People have followed this example. People have followed this example. People have followed. Whenever you select the city, find out whether you have selected none or other than none. If you not selected city, what happened? Places also none. So check. What did you select? Did you select the city name or none? If you selected none, add none option to the places. If you selected anything other than none, get me the corresponding places, add the option to the places. Before you add a new values, old value should be. That's what I have taken. People have followed this example. Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Clear? Clear for everyone? That's all from my end. I hope I'm clear with this. So we'll see.